Alright guys, today we are inside a camera manufacturing factory. Let's see how cameras are actually made. This is the main entry point. Security is tight because of sensitive components. The factory is divided to multiple control zones.
These shelves store raw materials like metal frames and plastic parts.
Where camera bodies are molded using high precision machines. CNC machines cut metal frames with extreme accuracy. Amazing. Wow. Even a tiny error can affect image stability. This is a clean room. Dust control is extremely important. Here, individual glass lens elements are assembled. Each tiny curve has a precise task, and we align them to within microns before stacking them into the barrel. Layer by layer, the transparency becomes a lens. Coatings improve image clarity and reduce glare. Each lens is checked under microscopes. Wow. After coating, lenses are cured inside special chambers. This is where camera sensors are prepared. Wow. Boards control image processing and autofocus. In the factory camera line, they move from station to station before being nested in the housing. Hollow frames are soldered automatically for reliability. Every board is tested for electrical accuracy. The lens is carefully mounted onto the body. Perfect alignment is critical for sharp images. Once camera gets its operating software installed, where the display screen is added, the vacuum arm lowers the panel into the frame and that clear plate presses it perfectly flat. Everything lines up to the micron. It's amazing to watch. Charging ports are tested for safety. Battery and power circuits are installed. Rubber seals protect against dust and moisture. The camera body is sealed shut. Color accuracy is calibrated here. Test images are captured and analyzed. Also test low light capabilities.
Cameras undergo vibration and stress tests.
Test performance in extreme temperatures. In this factory, DSLR cameras are cycled from freezing cold to scorching heat to make sure they keep working.
Final visual inspections happen here. It's like the camera's floating. That's impressive. Each camera is cleaned before packing. cables, manuals, and straps. Boxes are prepared automatically. This helps track the camera worldwide. Cameras are ready for shipment. The warehouse manages global distribution. Boxes are packed onto pallets. And off they go. From here, cameras are shipped worldwide. Everything is carefully handled. The entire factory is digitally monitored in factory DSLR camera. Hundreds of skilled workers make this possible. That's the complete camera manufacturing process. Raw materials to finished camera in factory DSLR camera. That's the whole journey right here behind me. Thanks for tagging along. See you on the next shoot.